Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Make sure your Pixel 6a and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, because casting uses local network discovery. Once done, pick the TV input or enable its built-in cast mode so your phone can find it. Also, keep your phone above 20% and close heavy apps to prevent interruptions. Now open Settings or the Google Home app. You'll use device discovery there to initiate the actual connection and avoid needless delays. You next perform the core connection. Open Google Home or pull down Quick Settings and tap the cast icon. This is how your phone advertises itself to the TV. Then choose the TV's name shown in the list and select Cast My Screen or the specific device stream option so the display mirrors. Make sure to accept any permissions prompts for screen capture and audio. Without them, you'll get a black screen or no sound. Once connected, control volume from the Pixel or TV as needed. You finish by stopping casting cleanly. Open Quick Settings or Google Home and tap Stop Cast so the TV returns to its original source. If wireless mirror is unreliable, try a USB-C to HDMI adapter for a direct wired connection. This bypasses network issues and reduces latency. If the TV never appears, reboot your Pixel, the TV, and the router. Network discovery often clears after a restart. That reboot trick resolves the majority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.